Welcome. In front of me is a NOKIA G60, and today I'll show you how you can format your SD card. So to get started, let's open up Settings. From here, select Storage. Once it shows up the page, click on this device. So extend the list and give you option for SD card. Select it, choose Files, select Files by Google. You can choose either always or once, it doesn't really matter. Double click it too. Once it opens up your SD card, click on the three dots right here. Select Storage Settings, and from here you can format it. When you press on it, it gives you a pop-up that formatting SD card will remove all the data from it, and if you keep anything on your card that you would like to, well, keep, then you might want to create a backup copy of it before you begin. Now, assuming you have already made a backup copy, or you just simply don't want to, you can progress by selecting Format SD card. This will begin a process of formatting it, which only takes a couple seconds and should be right about done. There we go. So click on Done, and that's it. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.